are some of the biggest mistakes I see waxers do when they start waxing with soft wax, doing Brazilians with soft wax versus hard wax. A lot of them are trying to transition from hard wax to soft wax because schools mostly teach hard wax because they don't know what they're doing. And a lot of people use hard wax. It's really popular, but you can use soft wax for a full Brazilian, labias and all. But here's some of the biggest mistakes that I see girls use is, number one, applying pressure when you are spreading the wax on. With hard wax, you do need to put, sorry, I'm not cutting this, by the way, so I'm not in the mood to edit. I'm clocked out. I've had a week, okay? So just stick with me here. With hard wax, you do have to apply, not a lot of pressure, but a bit of pressure when you put the wax on. With soft wax, that's a no-go, baby. Barely gliding over the skin, like literally like a whisper, okay? You're just pushing gently with a 90-degree angle, okay? If you start putting pressure on while you're applying the wax, you're gonna pull their hair before you've even ripped it off, and it fucking hurts. So don't do that anymore. Number two is rubbing the strip. It's weird and it's uncomfortable and it's unnecessary and it wastes time. Stop doing it. Okay? Stop rubbing the strip. You put the wax on, you put the strip on, and you push. Just, if you want, you can go like a situation, okay? It's just like a little like 1, 2, 3, pull. Sometimes I barely push down that much. But you have to like give it a good go. You can't, we're not, if you want to be a Brazilian waxer, you can't be fluffy. You can't just be like, go work in a spa. Go work at Hand and Stone if that's what you want to do. Okay? If you want to be a Brazilian waxer, you have to put pressure. That is where the pressure comes with soft wax. Okay? And then you rip it off. Horizontal. If you go like this, baby, bruising, lifting, tearing, all bad. Another big mistake that I see is that girls are trying to be faster at waxing, and so they're laying down bigger strips. Speed comes with time. Speed comes with time and learned efficiency and learned cleanliness. If you are efficient and you are clean, speed will come, babe. I was not doing 5-minute Brazilians 10 years ago. When in doubt, go in smaller strips. Just go in a smaller strip. Just lay a smaller strip down. Adding an extra couple minutes to your wax time is not going to kill you. It's not going to kill your career. Yes, I teach speed waxing and I think you're more profitable. I think it's better. I think it's more comfortable for your client, but whatever. That's what works for me. But in the beginning, what's more important is client comfort and you not fucking up your client's skin. There's more. I'm going to make another video, but I've already been talking for 3 minutes, so. I love you. Bye.